everyone, welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. I thought I would start it different today, and today I'll start you in my bedroom and show you my outfit first, and then take you into my other filming space in the bathroom where I do the review and I do the install. So this is my outfit for the day. It's a long skirt. I don't know how far back I need to go, but yep, this is a long skirt. I just have a bodysuit underneath and just with a little black jacket. And so today I am wearing Estetica's Wynter in a blonde. So let's go to the bathroom and finish the filming. Okay, so now we are back into the bathroom and we are going to be looking today. I'm gonna kick with these ones. I think they're all very similar to Deidre, Maya, Layton, even May or Kay yesterday. This is Estetica's Wynter in the color RH1488. All right, and I purchased this on the Beauty Nook. So again, I've mentioned this before. If you haven't looked into the Beauty Nook, definitely recommend looking at they have an app, very easy to order from. And then they have live sales on Friday nights, a live show where they sell off some of their wigs and you get them at really good prices. It's a first come, first serve, so there's usually just one and you get to, you have to order it first. But highly recommend the Beauty Nook, so shout out to Beauty Nook. That is where I purchased this Estetica Wynter. So she does have a lace front, just temple to temple with the side mono part. She has all open wefts. Estetica's usually a little stretchy. We have just a basic ear with stays, usually with stays in it. Yep, there's a stay in there. We have they're not the bra straps, but the regular straps. Not that crazy about that. We do have just a basic extended nape, so no real felt on any of these. But again, the lace is very nice. And you have the side mono part. Okay. And again, the color is R41488. And this is Estetica's Wynter. So I don't think I want to shake her up that much. I think I've already done that to her a little bit. So I'm going to just put her on. And again, this is my Milano WiGrip cap. So it's the cap and the grip put together. It's definitely, I switched to this. Actually, let me switch to my, I have a lace one. So I'm going to switch. I freshened up my hair. Okay, and so I have the same Milano cap with a lace front. And so I am going to have to figure out where the part is. So the part is on the left. So I'm gonna put this on here where the part is over here. So we've got the lace front. Don't know how well this is gonna work. Okay, it's probably not gonna work that great with this here. But I'll try to line it up as close as I can. This one doesn't fit the same as the other one. This one fits a little different because it's got, see this little marks here. So I think before what I did was I folded that under the last time I wore it, when I was wearing these. Just got to be careful that it doesn't create too much of a raised area. All right, yeah, that looks a little better. We've got, let me make sure that this is in the right place. I want to push all this back. So make sure this is flat. Okay, I think we're good. I think I got that down good. Yep, all right, so I think that's better. All right, let's see if I can line this up, how well. Okay. So we're going to put on Wynter. Okay. Oh, isn't she cute? Yeah, she's pretty. Yeah, so actually all of them, Kona, they've all been the similar style. So here's the color. I'll show you the color. Let me show you all around before I mess with her a little bit. So we've got the right and the back. And the left. All right, so let's see for coverage, right? So she's in the right space. Okay, we've got the lace. Little bit of my sideburns are showing here. I'll pull that down a little bit. Actually, let me just make sure that they're, yeah, so they're straight. Okay, so not too bad. So it ends right here. And then there's my ear right there. So really good coverage for me. Same thing on the other side, ends right here. So we got really good coverage. And she actually doesn't really need that much. Just gonna add a little bit of water just to freshen up some of this curl. And I don't think I'm gonna do much to her. Yeah, because the curls are going good. I just wanna freshen it up a little bit. I don't think I've worn her before. I've never worn Wynter. I think I just tried her on when I got her, and got her actually back in October, and I have not worn her yet, because then I really jumped into Polly Young, and so I've definitely been wearing the Polly Youngs better. Yeah, so I like the left. Yeah, the left-hand part. Yeah, I think this is all I'm gonna do for her today. I don't think she really needs anything. What do you guys think? This is Estetica's Wynter. Yeah, I think that's all I am doing today. You know, I like the way it's falling here. I like the side. It's got a little bit of an angle, you know, a little bit of an angle cut. All right. Yeah. I don't even think I want to put the sea salt in it, because I think it's good. I think the curl, the wave, the curl is kind of good right where it's at. So this is Estetica's Wynter. And this is what I'm wearing today. Okay. I will let you know how she wears at the end of the night, you know, how she wore today. And I will show you what she looks like. But that's it. This is my install for today. All right. Thank you. Thanks for joining. I'll be back tonight. Hi, everyone. It's the end of the night. I'm getting ready to go to bed. I just wanted to show you a quick review of what Wynter looked like at the end of the night. She felt really good. Kay yesterday felt a little thick, lots of permatease. And Wynter has a little bit of permatease up in here. I didn't mess with it much or you know, zhuzh it up a lot, because I kind of wanted a little more of a flatter style today. But she felt really good. The cap fit is very, very good on me. Didn't feel loose. This is one of those days where, like, between Kay and today, Kay, I felt like I had a lot of hair on me. And then with Wynter, not at all. She wore very nice. So, very nice. This is what she looks like at the end of the night. I'll show you around. So that's it. That's today's wig of the day. And I had already showed you my outfit. So I was just washing my face, getting ready to wash my face and everything in the bathroom. And so here I am for the end of the day. Tomorrow is, oh, what's tomorrow? don't remember. It's not Dear to Be. Oh, tomorrow is Ashley in Auburn Sugar from Paulie Young, because I'm wearing a red dress, so I wanted a little bit of the auburn color. So tomorrow is Ashley. I have not worn her yet. All right, so thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit that bell, like, don't like, give me some feedback, and share, spread the news that there's a new wig channel in town so that folks will know about me. And then we will get to have a blast together. All right, thank you. Bye.